Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to see more home, holiday, event, wedding, and DIY decor. Today, I'm gonna show you how to put together 3 Valentine's proposal ideas for the love of your life. Here we go. Today is part 1 of my 2-part Valentine's Day proposal series. And that sounded so serious and so formal and so fancy and so like put together, but it's not. The real reason I'm making this into a 2-parter is because I have to take my daughter to the orthodontist and I won't have time to get everything together all in one day. So I'm breaking it down into 2. Today I'm going to have 1, which is the hardest one, which is not hard at all. And then I'm going to have the other 2 on Thursday. So this whole week is going to be a Valentine's Day proposal week. Yay. And I hold this very close to my heart because if you know me personally, or if you have seen videos of my husband and I interacting, you can tell that my husband is very in love with me and I'm very in love with him and we really love each other. But that guy gave me a hard time to get married. He did. 4.5 years. I practically dragged him to the altar. For real. Not really, but almost. He felt like it. But yeah, he gave me a hard time, guys. So if I can do anything to encourage you or to make it easy for you to propose to that girl, that special girl that has been waiting or that has been dreaming about you proposing for a very long time, or maybe not too long, I am here for you. So let's get started. First proposal idea is going to be a proposal box. And I'm going to start by assembling the box together and then I'm going to wrap it with wrapping paper. For the bottom, I'm just going to cross it. No need to tape it. All right, gentlemen. I know some of you guys are going to say that you are not good at wrapping anything. But if you love your lady and you need some help, go ahead and ask your mom, your sister, your cousin, or somebody very close to you that can help you with this. Although it's very easy. Okay, so now everything is wrapped around. And now I'm going to cut because it's going to fold. And these are obviously too short, so you're still going to have to wrap these, but you still have to fold them as well. Right, so I'm switching to packing tape because I've been using Dollar Tree tape and that's not holding. Okay, so now I'm going to be wrapping this area up, which means that I have to wrap this as well, okay? So what I'm going to do is measure, okay, the top, which is 18 inches, but I'm going to give it another 2 inches so I'm able to wrap it around, okay? And then I'm going to measure this right here together with this back here as well, all right? So that's going to be 20 by 15. Next, I'm going to cover the inside of the box with tissue paper and tape. And now I'm going to throw a few sheets at the bottom, cover that up, and it should look something like this. Now I'm going to place these glitter heart cutouts that I got from Hobby Lobby around the box. I'm going to use the large ones and I'm going to glue them on with hot glue. so now I'm moving to the balloons, and I'm going to be placing stickers on them, and one is going to say will you, and the other one is going to say marry me. The balloons are from Dollar Tree, and they were $1, obviously, and the stickers are from Hobby Lobby. The ones at Walmart are actually cheaper, but they don't have glitter, so you can use either or, and you can also use white if that's what you prefer. I already had these, so I'm using these. It's just going to be very easy. You are going to open the packet, pull them off, and just try to place them as straight as possible on the balloons. More pizzazz to the balloons and the whole arrangement, I am going to add a little bit of this French curtain. Actually, if you have like gold ribbon that's like this, very metallic, go ahead and add it. I didn't have it. All I have was this French curtain, and you know, I can just cut a few of the strings off and then just place it on the balloons. At first I was thinking about adding tassels to them, as so. Look how pretty that is. Let me see. There you go. But it's too heavy for the balloon. So after testing it out a couple of times, I'm only able to place 2 of the foil on the balloons, because anything above that is going to be very heavy and it will, you know, drag the balloon down. We're going to place it right over the other ribbon. Okay, because I just refuse to have that white one by itself. It just, you know, that's no effort whatsoever. Okay, and that's that. And now you're gonna grab your giant engagement ring, which is going to be your balloon stop. Okay, and you're gonna place it in a way where will you is higher than marry me. Now I'm going to place the balloons inside. If you want to add an extra effect to like wow her a little bit more, I will add a few runaway balloons. And this is only if you're going to do this indoors, like at a venue or in the house, because it's not safe to let balloons fly away because of the environment, because of birds, because of, you know, planes and stuff like that. It's not good, it's not recommended. But if you're gonna do it indoors, I will add a few runaway balloons. So when she opens the box, they will fly away and she will be like, oh my gosh, they're flying away, you know, and not pay attention to what it's really saying. And then she can figure it out. Cool, right? Dollar Tree has these cute little stickers that says, you know, love, thanks, hello, congrats. And it has, you know, little hearts and stuff. So I'm just going to pull and place it right on top. All right, guys, this is it. This is my proposal box, and it is absolutely cute and adorable. She's gonna have no clue. She's gonna think it's just a regular Valentine's Day box with probably a teddy bear or balloons coming out saying be my Valentine or something like that. Or she may, but it's definitely an amazing gesture of love. She's gonna love it. I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do so right here, right now. Also, leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought of my proposal ideas. And leave me a comment anyway, because you know I love to chit chat with you guys all the time. And make sure to share. Sharing is caring. If you know of a friend or a family member that's looking to propose, or if you need to send it to somebody for hint, make sure to share with them at the end of this video. All right, guys, until next time. Bye.